Research reveals that environments can increase or reduce our stress, which in turn impacts our bodies. What you are seeing, hearing, experiencing at any moment is changing not only your mood but how your nervous, endocrine, and immune system are working. The stress of an unpleasant environment can cause you to feel anxious or sad or helpless. This in turn elevates your blood pressure, heart rate, and muscle tension and suppresses your immune system. A pleasing environment reverses that. And regardless of age or culture, humans find nature pleasing. In one study cited in a book Healing Garden, researchers found that more than two-thirds of people choose a natural setting to retreat to when stressed. Being in a nature or even doing scenes of nature reduces anger, fear, and stress by increasing the pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. It may even reduce mortality. According to scientists such as public health researchers Seth Mantes and Mitchell, research done in hospitals, office, and school has found that even a simple plant in a room can have significant impact on stress and anxiety. In addition, nature helps us cope up with pain because we are genetically programmed to find trees, plants, water, and other natural elements. We are absorbed by nature scenes and distracted from our pain and discomfort. This is nicely demonstrated in now classic study of patients who underwent gallbladder surgery. Half had a view of trees and half had a view of wall. According to the physician who conducted the study, the patient with the view of trees tolerated pain better, appeared to nurses to have fewer negative effects, and spent less time in hospital. So all I need to say that everything is around us. All we need is a vision. Go into nature, feel that butterfly flying. When was the last time you went into nature and saw a butterfly or plants or trees? Believe me, once you go there, you will find a new you.